Final question F. How is the parrot related to the theme of love in Kadambari? Here the A and B is coming from Abhigyana Sakuntalam. Question C and D coming from Mrichakatika. Question E is coming from Mahabharata and question F is coming from Banbhatta's Kadambari. In the third section, here the questions are A. Comment on the role and character of Krishna following the book of the Assembly Hall of the Mahabharata, or what are the epic features found in the Mahabharata? Question B. Analyze Mrichakatika as comedy or comment on the character of Charudatta as you find it in Mrichakatika. Question C. What picture of contemporary society emerges in Banas Kadambari? Answer with reference to the described text. Or do you find the title of Banas Kadambari appropriate? Give reason in support of your answer. Last and final question D. Comment on the character and role of Sakuntala in Abhigyana Sakuntalam. Or critically comment on the theme of love in the Abhigyana Sakuntalam. Here you see the question paper of CC2 European Classical Literature. Here the questions are A. Who were the foster parents of Oedipus? B. Name two ancestors of Laius. C. Name the hill where Oedipus was supposed to have been abandoned after his birth. Where was he taken from there? D. Name the god who spoke through the oracle. What did the oracle say about the son of Laius? E. On whose cue did Oedipus send for Tiresias? How was Oedipus related to the person? Question F. How did Oedipus become the king of Thebes? Question G. What message did the old shepherd from Corinth bring to Oedipus? Why was it also good news? Question H. Name the two daughters whom Oedipus was permitted to embrace at the end of the play. These first 8 questions are coming from Sophocles' Oedipus the King. Question I. Name the Greek family that links all the stories of Metamorphosis Book 3. Question J. What was the crime of Actaeon? How did Diana punish him? Question K. How did Juno disguise herself when she met Semele? Question J. How did Semele's child survive? Who secretly reared the child after his birth? Question M. How did Narcissus die? How did Echo react to it? Question N. Who rejected Tiresias? What was the prophecy of Tiresias about that person? Last and final question O. To which harbor about Bacchus asked the Lydian sailor to take him? Name one transformation of the sailor were subjected to. These 7 questions are coming from Ovid's Metamorphosis. In the second section, the questions are A. Briefly relate the dream sent by Zeus to Agamemnon. B. In Sophocles, events are often described rather than shown. Explain the role of messenger in Oedipus the King in the light of this statement. Question C. Why did Oedipus go to Delphi? What was he told there? Question D. Write a short note on any one soliloquy in the pot of gold. Question E. Briefly narrate how the life of Pentheus came to an end after his failure to punish Acoetes. Last and final question F. Narrate briefly the story of Narcissus and his ultimate transformation. Here question A is coming from Iliad, question B and C is coming from Sophocles' Oedipus the King, question D is coming from the pot of gold, and finally question E and F is coming from Ovid's Metamorphosis. In the last section, here the questions are Question A. Write a critical note on the idea of divine intervention with reference to Book 1 and 2 of the Iliad. Or what is an epic simile? Comment on Homer's use of epic similes with reference to the book of the Iliad you have read. Question B. Analyze the character of Jocasta or elaborate upon the paradox of sight versus blindness in Sophocles' Oedipus the King. Question number C. Comment on the character of Bacchus with reference to Metamorphoses Book 3 or comment on the story of Tiresias in Ovid's Metamorphoses Book 3. Last and final question D. Critically evaluate the use of classical conventions of comedy in the plot construction of The Pot of Gold or attempt an analysis of the character of Euclio in The Pot of Gold. So, this is the question paper of 2018. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you very much.